In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Squarespace site fast. Build a website in 10 minutes with Squarespace for beginners. Open your browser and head to the Squarespace website. From the home page, start the quick setup. You'll see a prompt asking, "What's your site about?" Pick the category that best fits your idea. Think portfolio, blog, nonprofit, or online store. Don't overthink it. This just helps Squarespace tailor suggestions. Click. Next to move on. Next, you'll be asked what you want to do with your website. Choose your primary goals, like showcasing work, booking services, selling, or collecting emails. Again, this helps preload relevant features and pages. Click Next. You'll now see, how would you like to get started? For a fast launch, choose Professional Website Templates. If you're presented with that option again, just confirm it. You may also see an option to choose from Curated Designer Templates or AI-generated Blueprint Templates. For speed and predictability, go with the Curated Designer Templates. Browse the template gallery and click a design that suits your vibe to preview it. Focus on structure, not the demo images or text. You can change all the visuals later. When you're happy, select. Start with this design. Squarespace will spin up your site with that layout. Inside the builder, look for the onboarding checklist titled Set Up Your Website and click it. This gives you a guided path to get the basics in place quickly, such as your site name and key pages. You can customize styling, fonts, and colors anytime, so the goal here is momentum, not perfection. If you plan to accept support from your audience or run a nonprofit, click Start Collecting Donations. This turns on the donation feature and provides the building blocks you'll need. You can finalize payment methods and customize donation amounts later in settings. If you're planning to monetize with digital downloads, courses, or members-only content, click Set Up to Sell Your Content. This enables the relevant commerce tools so you can add products and set pricing when you're ready. When your essentials are in place and your template looks presentable, click Publish Your Site. Your website will go live on a temporary Squarespace domain right away, and you can connect your custom domain later. The nice thing is you can continue editing after publishing. Every change you make can be updated in real time. And that's it. You've chosen a template, enabled the right features, and published a live Squarespace site in just a few minutes. Keep refining as you go, and you'll have a polished, professional website faster than you thought.